My dear friends, we all want to have energy. We want to dance. We want to enjoy life. Today, I would like to share with you a wonderful ancient Qigong practice, fountain, that will help you to regain the energy. My name is Nina London. I am a wellness coach and Qigong teacher. I am 57 years old and I love to dance. And I want you to dance and enjoy life at the fullest. Please join my practice.
We flow with the water, strong and calm. Put your palms on your abdominal or dantian area. Bend your knees and lean forward. Back of your hands come towards each other. Inhale. Tuck your tailbone under and roll up the spine. Hands come up to the chest. Wrists are relaxed. Exhale as your arms float out to the sides. Your hips glide back. Bring the back of your hands toward each other. Synchronize your breath with movement. Relax and tap into this gentle flow. Your arms are floating. They are weightless. Qigong is often called the art of effortless power. The fountain practice is a gentle flow. Feel the flow of energy. It's not necessary to do this practice in the water. I practice this way because I love to feel strong and powerful energy of the ocean. The fountain practice ignites Jing Qi, the energy stored in our kidneys. It's our body battery. Our body and mind pull from this reserve in times of change, healing, and stress. Jing Qi is so important to our vitality and life force energy. When the kidney Qi is weak, we can feel very tired and we lack energy. Kidney is a water element. The wisdom of water is to flow. Water is the essence of life, an unstoppable force, and yet it only seeks ways to move and spread where there is no resistance. A balanced water element is moving smoothly with strength, courage, and willpower. There is a sense of flow, ease, and peace. Find your flow. Bring the energy of water to your body and mind. Recharge and revive.
I hope you feel energetic. I hope you enjoy the practice and you have the energy to dance like me. Sometimes I dance the whole night and I love to feel the energy that we created. May the Qi be with you.